Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you're new, and if you're not, hey, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to do a first impressions of a couple of products I've got here and there that I wanted to, you know, test out. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So I recently got an order from Morphe. I got the James Charles palette collaboration, which I'm not going to use today. And then I got the 35I one, which I haven't even tried the colors, but they're really pretty. Now this chick, Sophie Floyd, I'll leave her name up on the screen. She did like a purple 70s-ish inspired makeup, and I loved the makeup. It was so easy. So my goal is to go with possibly these, maybe 3 colors here. Gonna give it a go. The colors are really nice and soft, so I'm gonna see how that goes. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into it. Oh, and excuse the lighting, it's a bit overcast outside. I think it might rain, it might not. Who knows with this weather? With everything that's going around, who knows what the hell is going to happen? So, first and foremost, I'm going to tie up this messy hair of mine. There we go. Okay, this is the current skin situation. It's okay. This is more like just pigmentation, like scarring. This is a ginormous new pimple. Hey, what's up? You know, go away. I don't want to see you, okay? So please ignore that. It's really painful. All right, so let's do this face. So I'm gonna start with primer. I'm just gonna use the Hangover Too Faced primer. I'm gonna go in with the Nars Super Radiant Booster. Really like this stuff for a base because I have really dry skin, so it does wonders. So one of the new products I got is the Estee Lauder Double Foundation. Now I got it in the color 1W2 Sand. This is my non-tanned color. So because I've got fake tan on, you probably can't even tell. I like that. So I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of the Clinique because this has, I've been told from what I've researched, this is on the drying side, this is on the hydrating side. Is it? I don't know, but it does hydrate my skin. So, the downfall is, like most, like a lot of high-end foundations, you have to buy the pump separate. And no joke, this was 10 bucks. $10. When you can go to like Priceline and get a foundation for $10. Just gonna shake it up. Gonna see how the color works. And I didn't conceal. Damn it. I usually conceal before I put foundation because my skin is shite. As you can tell, I haven't concealed there. I'm actually gonna put concealer before. I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. I'm just going to I would say the foundation is like medium coverage, so let's see if it's buildable. I am probably gonna just do like a couple of dots of the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the color 5.5. And that little thing came off from the top. So I just dab it around, so I'm mixing it. liking that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. It's not really a new one because I've already finished it, but I did get another purchase of the Tarte Shape Tape. But I got it in the color Fair Light Neutral, and the previous one was light neutral. And I found that one was maybe a little too close to my skin color, so I just wanted to get one that was just a pinch lighter. Yep, I can already tell. Bronzer, just using the Stila concealer. Where's my brush? Set it all with my KVD Vegan Beauty powder. So now that the face halfway done, we're gonna get straight into the eyes, which is what I've been looking forward to. Like I said, I'm gonna go in with the 35I palette, and I might as well just get into it. I'm gonna go with the color Dreamer, which is that purple right there. So, I'm gonna bring it right up. Just gonna go with a little bit more dense brush. Just gonna go in with the 227 Luxe Soft Definer. It's not as fluffy. I want the color a little bit better payoff, but this is so pretty. Surprisingly, there isn't a lot of fallout, which I am not mad about. Yep. So I think I'm going to define my brows just a tad more. I did have them filled in before, but it doesn't hurt to do it a bit more. Brows are on. Just using a little flat brush. I'm literally just going to use the white color. Actually, I'll go with this like peachy. So I just used that color, which is called Get It Fresh. Let's do some liner. I got the KVD Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Liner. Trooper Black. It's just like a little mini. I have heard good things about it. I think it's good to go. It's a little too drying for my liking. If you have a preference of liquid eyeliner, please leave in the comments below so I can try, because I want to find a decent. Okay, that's the eyeliner. From far away, it doesn't look bad. Up close, well. Alright, so I did get new lashes as well from Morphe, which I've never tried before. I got Santa Monica and I got Rodeo. So, because I generally use a style like this, like all the time, like the Kiss ones or the Art Gel ones, I'm going to go with the Rodeo. That's what they look like, and they were like $3. So, are they worth the $3? But they are hella long. I mean, who has like Like, ooh. While the glue dries, I'm gonna just do the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna go with the purple below, which is called Deliver Shiver. Little brush, so it's just that. Ooh, can't show you that one just there. I want to add a bit of the Laguna Bronzer with it. And now I'm going to put some mascara on before I put the lashes. I'm going to use that Mecca Max, it's called Wink Ink. I'm just trying to find a good mascara. I do like the L'Oreal Telescopic, but let's see how this one goes. And also, I'm not a big fan of brand new mascaras. I like it once it's dried a little bit. Yeah, for the bottom lashes, it's really good. Wish me luck. I might actually go in with the Laguna Bronzer, which I haven't used in like forever. Just a blush. Carolina, which I've been really liking as of late. I like Luminoso by Milani, but this is quite satisfying to put on this color. I'm gonna fix the liner, so I'm just gonna go back in with the liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna set the face. And I'm just gonna go in with the lip liner, NYX Suede. It's like a reddy tan color. I really like it. It's almost like a peachy, but I really like the combination. And then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lingerie Gloss in clear, which is not so clear because I like to put it on top of like lip liners. And last but not least, we're just going to go in with some highlighter. Just going with the Becca Champagne Pop. Oh, this hair. I don't know what I should do with it. So there you have it. That, my dear friends, is the final look. As you can tell, it was like really simple. I literally used one palette. Oh, my eyes. One palette, and the color, I feel like it's not even as vibrant as it is in person that I can see in the mirror, but this is actually, just gonna like zhuzh up my hair a little bit, there we go. It is cute. There you have it. Skin's, like I said, it's not too bad, minus, just don't look there. But besides that, I love the lashes. Lashes, thumbs up. Eyeliner, I'm on the bench about it. That's the KVD liquid eyeliner. It's okay, I'm gonna just keep trying it out. The eyeshadow palette, this, I'm gonna be using this a little bit more. I'm gonna give it a go like with the other colors. I'm loving this like mint green section. There's even got like the grays. Oh, look at that. I wanna give those a go. So the eyeshadows, yeah, I really love it. The mascara for the bottom lashes was really good. Really good. Foundation feels all right. Like I said, I mixed it with the Clinique one, so it doesn't feel so mattifying. And I think with the Nars Radiant Booster thing that I put on the base, kind of worked out. And like the Tarte Shape Tape, I mean, you just can't go wrong with that. It's just a really good concealer. And I'm so glad I went with the lighter color, because now it doesn't look like my skin tone. It's just a little bit of a highlight. So Yeah, and the lashes, I'm really liking this style, like, thumbs up, so. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. I like to do a lot of reviews of products and inform you of, you know, are they good or not, stuff like that. So go check out my other videos. I have a lot of reviews, down to like clothing, shoes, makeup. Yeah, so subscribe and you won't be disappointed, because yeah, I'll let you know what I think. Leave a comment below if you have suggestions for videos, if you want to change, if you want me to make some changes, or if you want me to film something. Happy to oblige. So yeah, let me know. I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.